As parents, we care greatly about our children and go to undesirable measures to keep them safe. Kitchens are dangerous enough places for small children with just the appliances at hand, not to mention all the various chemicals inside of the so-called classic kitchen cabinet. Keeping our children out of this cabinet is a major priority for us. The problems we saw present were keeping small to young curious children out of dangerous cabinets, cheap plastic child locks breaking, and cabinets not closing all the way to allow the locking mechanism to lock completely. For our Engineering 122 project, we successfully designed and built a smart child locking cabinet. In our smart cabinet, we incorporated the Arduino Uno, an RFID reader module, an RFID tag, a standard servo, and a whisker switch. By scanning your RFID tag in front of the reader module, you trigger the standard servo through Arduino's interface and unlock the cabinet. For our forgetful users, we incorporated a safe switch in case of emergencies when you don't have your tag. This switch is out of reach of small children. Additional parts for this project include an outdoor electrical cover, 90-degree mounting brackets, wire, a cabinet rail mount, and sheet metal. The total cost of this project was $85.50, with a suggested retail price of $150. The disciplines of engineering incorporated in our Engineering 122 project is mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, and industrial engineering.